Hello laba mfethu, this is TheEntertainer yona bona kasi MC Mr. Jai Vujulu emfana khona la ekhaya Spotify bafethu 1214. Short manje laba mfethu ngiphethe samthanda. Igama lakhe samthanda uhlala khona la kamakhelwane. Samthanda kunjani sis?
Ngempilo njani?
Nami ngiyaphila. So, can you tell us more about yourself?
So igama lami ngiyamthanda Sibonga Nhleko, ngina 14. I'm a grade 8 learner ngifunda e-level high.
All right, siyabonga sisi. So, what I want to ask you today, can you please tell us more about your career?
So what I want to be when I grow up, I want to be an advocate. I want to study law. So in my mind so far, I want to go to University of Cape Town for now. I don't know after all.
Oh, that's nice. Or can you please tell me more about which university do you want to go to and why do you choose that university specifically?
As I said previously, I want to go to University of Cape Town because when I'm doing a research, but you look good with law, so I think that's going to be a good one.
Oh, so you want to focus on the law side of things?
I want to be a lawyer and I want to study law.
Oh, you want to study law. So can you tell me more? Why do you want to study law?
It's because of my personality, the way I am. Pela career ubonang ubuntu bakuthi, how are you and why?
All right, siyabonga sisi. Siyabonga bafethu. That was siyamthanda umakhelwane wami bafethu. Uma nimbona estradini ngakho nje ngombingelele nithi siyamthanda, siyakuthanda, siyamthanda. Danko.